welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by today's title, I have a PLouise budget box unboxing. So this box has just come out and been delivered to me in November, so this box is for October. So I have this box, and then I have a PLouise Black Friday haul. So I'm going to film that video straight after I film this video, and I've just filmed a Rita Ora video, so I will probably look the same in all three videos. So I have already opened this box because I was very excited and wanted to see what I got. So I got 3 things in this box. I am going to save the biggest product till last. So the first thing that I got, I'm also going to write the prices of all of these products if individually purchased in the description, so you can see the total saving, total cost. These boxes work out at £30 a month, but the value in them is always well above that £30. So the first thing that I got is this, the finishing touch. And there were 2 versions of this that you could get. You could either get this version or a more pinky base version. I would describe this as being a bit like a highlighter and a body glitter. So this has green reflex in it, if you can see. I'm glad I got this one over the pink one just because I prefer this more cool toned, mermaidy feel to it. I will swatch a tiny bit for you all so you can see what it looks like. So don't know how well you can see there, but very iridescent and gives a beautiful blue/green shift. That was the first thing that I got. The second thing that I got was this palette. It's called the PLouise You Give Me Butterfly palette. And there were different variations on this palette that you could get. I did order, and you will see it in the next video, I did order the purple version of this. I didn't mind whatever version I got, so long as I didn't get the blue version. Only because I feel like with having green eyes, I don't like the way blue eyeshadows look on me. This is what the palette looks like. So we've got some pinks, we've got some oranges. Really like this. I don't have a lot of pink eyeshadows or eyeshadows like this in my collection. Really like that. And then the last thing that I got, and this is the PLouise Believe in Butterflies. And this is a very impressive 20-piece brush set. So it opens like that. Great place to store all of your brushes. And then you have 20 brushes in there. I'm not going to open them and show you all of the brushes, but there are 20 pieces in there. And this exterior packaging is absolutely gorgeous. It is so whimsical and fairy tale inspired, and I just love it. I love all of PLouise packaging. I think PLouise does beautiful packaging. And that was the last thing that I got in my budget box for this month. So just to run through it again, I got this liquid glitter. I got the pink eyeshadow palette. And I got the amazing 20-piece brush set in this beautiful packaging. So those were the 3 things that I got, and that was everything. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching, and I will speak to you in my next video. Until then, goodbye guys.